We're trying to figure out which of the following fractions has the greatest value. So look at A and B. A and B, they both have the same denominator. So the larger one is the one with the larger numerator. So we know that B is bigger than A because the denominators are the same. So I'm going to cross that one out. All right, let's keep going. So I'm not going to say anything else about B. Let's look at C. Let's try to make its denominator a 3 squared and a 5 squared so I can compare it to B. All right, so I want my denominator to be a 3 squared and a 5 squared.